Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily crop an image Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my downloads folder here. And as you can see, I have an image of this lion and I double click to open it. Now, once you double click and open up that image, guys, you will see some options at the top here, right? And if you look, one of them is like an image and it's also said edit. So you want to click on this edit image here. Once you click on that, it will take you into the edit section where you can easily play around and crop that image. So as you can see, it automatically select the crop option here. As you can see, if you hover over it at the top, you will see that it's also selected and it says crop here, and you can see it around the edges that it allows you to crop it as well. So all you have to do is just move around the sides and the top to wherever you want, and you can always go ahead and you can select it any area of the image that you want to crop. So let's say I would like to crop it like this and like this. I would like to make it like that. I can go ahead and I can crop it how I want in this image, right? So let's say I just want it just about there. I can go ahead and I can do that. And then once I am done, guys, all I have to do is just click on the save options. You also have the drop down here that you can click as save as, or you can simply click on save and it will save the current image. So if I click on the save options here, guys, I click on save as, you can see that it gives me the option to save it. So I can save this as like image 2. And as you see here, I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And if I go back to my downloads folder, you now see that I have the image 2 here, and I can double click and open that, and you can see that's my newly cropped image. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.